What's going on? Nice pony. What is going on, guys? It is Hayden here. Welcome back to another episode of Weekdays with Stihl. So today we are at the licensing centre initially. We're just taking my brother to get his manual license. He's got his automatic. So we're currently in a car park waiting for him to come back. Just started lightly raining. Yesterday was ridiculously wet. And we actually had a bit of hail as well, so wasn't very good working conditions. But today looks to be a better day. Today we've got 5-6 jobs on today, so moderately busy day. With most of my jobs, it's not just lawn mowing, it's garden maintenance and other stuff like that. Today we've also got a tree to cut up because it fell at one of our... Ooh. Just when I want to record my phone, I drop it. Let me get that. This is a tree that's fallen down at one of our lawn mowing customers' places. It's a gum tree, and it fell down within the last week in all the rain and storms. So we're gonna have to chop that up and then mow the lawn as well. But yeah, so we've got a few odd jobs in between all our regular clients, which will keep us busy for today. But and as on other news as well, we found the mulching plug. It's that black thing right there. Basically it was at one of my customers' houses, lawn mowing customers' houses, and yeah, picked it up this morning, so now we'll be able to properly mow grass. There's people everywhere getting their tests and stuff done, like there behind on the trailer. Anyways, we'll wait for my brother and we'll head on out. Just got off the phone to Brennan, and he's going to be about 20 minutes, so I've decided to drive down the road to a park. And I realised that there's another lawn mowing crew. Got a guy here whippersnipping, got a guy over there mowing lawns, as you can see, and another guy over there mowing as well. There's a few of us out here. There's a lot of competition, but there's a lot of work as well. And there's another guy blowing over there. Team of 4 by the looks. Oh no, team of 3. That guy, the other lawnmower doesn't have anyone on it. So yeah, I'm just going to be sitting here watching these guys work while I should be working. But we'll keep waiting for Brennan until he's finished. Looks like they're using Toro equipment and Stihl whippersnippers. Yeah, they've got a Stihl black backpack blower, so yeah. Toro mowers and Stihl power tools. Good combo. Anyways, nevertheless, we shall continue waiting. What is going on, guys? Currently on our second job. Brendan's just back there mowing. Been a pretty hectic day. There's also some more council workers mowing here. This one's just the front lawn, but the previous lawn that we mowed was actually a neighbour of a regular client that we have. So we mowed hers, but unfortunately we were talking to her for a while, so we couldn't actually record anything. But anyways, yeah, time keeps going on. So as I said, on our second job, and then we'll head on to the rest. just finished the tree job. We're on to our last job. Yeah, so sun's almost going down, but gotta get this one done before the weekend. Let's do it. Ran out of herbicide. What's going on? Nice pony. Nice pony. Just offloading for the day. Alrighty guys, so that's all it for today. We've offloaded the trailer, sorted out the ponies. But thanks for watching this episode, guys, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date with the videos that we post each and every week. My name is Hayden, and I shall catch you next time. Hope you have a great one.